At Christian Brothers College, we use Clean Life vinegar wipes. We changed over to Clean Life vinegar wipes because they are safe for children to use and they're also safe with food. Before, what we were doing is we were having to spray and wipe the bench down, then wipe the bench over, and then put that product into the washing machine to be washed. Whereas now we can just quick and easy grab the wipe to wipe down the bench space right away and dispose of that in our bin.
The first time people smell these packs, they go, wow, like this is vinegar. But that's the whole key to it. It's the authenticity of a natural product. But it's amazing when you start to use it, once it evaporates, the smell's gone.
The benefits of the vinegar wipes is it doesn't leave a harsh chemical smell and it's safer for children to be around, and it's also safe for our food products to be around as well. Once it's dry, it leaves no lingering fragrance.
This was the first wet wipe that we could manufacture that was preservative free. With our core values as a plastic-free sustainable company, we were always in search of manufacturing or innovating a product that had one ingredient, and we could only do that with naturally fermented vinegar. So it just aligned with our sustainable values.
When we are finished with the vinegar wipes, we put them with our food scraps in our compost bins.
Environmentally friendly, biodegradable, and leaves no microplastics on surfaces, which is so important for us.
I've encouraged my colleagues to find out what the power of vinegar really is by using it themselves.
Vinegar power.